Alright, right now I'm going to review how to get assignments and classwork, homework for from Google Classroom and to be able to do them. And when I'm mainly speaking of the fillables, the particular assignments that you have to type in the information and send them back to me without them being blank. Okay, so what you have to do is go down here to African history, click on that. Then I have here, it says Afrocentric exercises. Just click on that. This is what I left you, a fillable. So once you click on that, it's going to come to this screen. Once you get to this screen, you cannot edit this. In order to edit this, you need to open with here, and then it says DocHub, PDF sign and edit. This is what you need to use. Sometimes you don't have this. You may have to go over here to where these three dots are to the right here. Click on that and open in window. And once you click the open in window, then this right here will show up. Okay. So anyway, we click on this. Now we push DocHub, PDF, sign in and edit. Once you click that, it's going to go there. All right, now you have the ability to edit it. Okay, so we can go ahead and edit. I'll go ahead and put in here Barney, and I'll put in here the date. Let's say it's 9/30/20. All right, so I put in that, and say for instance if I was going to go ahead and put in some more information, this is just a test, put in some more information in my fillable here, and now I have to send it back to the teacher. Okay, but first I want to save it. So the easiest way to save this is to go here where it says download and export right here at the top to your right. Just click on that, and at this point there's a blue button that comes down at the bottom here. Just click on that. It's going to say download. Okay, when you do that, you should get a box that's going to appear that's going to give you the ability to put this document wherever you want it now. And what I do is I'll change the name of it. Now I'm going to go ahead and save it, and I'll save it right here in AAA homework. And I'll put Barney 9000. Alright. Alright, so now I just need to go back right here, Barney 9000, click on it, and we'll see if it kept my edit. And as you can see, it kept all of my inputs. Alright, there you go. Okay, another way to do it is we go ahead in here and go to African history. We're going to click on this fillable PDF. Once again, you cannot edit at this point, so you need to go ahead and go to open with, and we use DocHub, PDF, sign and edit. We just click on there, DocHub, and then DocHub allows you to go ahead and edit it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and we'll just put George, just a little sample here, little test. Okay, so I went on and just put something there, and let's see if it remembered our input. So let me go. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and, before we download it and export it, but this time we're going to go ahead and share and send. Just share and send. To share or send, just put the teacher's email right in here, and you push send, and it goes directly to their email. You don't have to go back to your email, attach it and all of that. You just send it directly to, and that's it. And the teacher, all they have to do is put it right there in Google Classroom. All right, so this is a great tool, great idea.